So we just made it, and we made it, and me and Thatcher freaked out when we saw it. We're at Crayola Experience. Experience. There's crayons falling out. There's a crayon flying. There's a paper clip, a big crayon over there. This is amazing. The green crayon is surfing like this a lot. So I'll be taking pictures during this, and you'll see them.
And Sissy finally saved up enough for a whole art kit with the oil pencils and everything that she's able to make doll faces on. So it looks kind of hideous right now. But she is giving it a whole new face.
And hair.
And hair, thank goodness. That hair is wild.
Well, I have to put it up for her face.
Oh, you got to pull it back? Yeah. So, are you happy that you saved for that long?
Yes.
Was it worth it?
Yes. Welcome back to Kristen's Kitchen. Y'all all know me, Ellinor. Today we're going to be making the fastest pizza lunch you've ever made. So I'm going to move y'all closer so y'all can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this bread, and we're going to get 4 slices and put them in here. Don't stack them because then it's going to not work out so well. But this type of bread is cheesy bread, and you can find this in your frozen area of your stores. Okay. You want to put them in the corners so they're not touching. It's okay if they're touching a little, but you don't want them touching all the way. I'm using garlic bread, but you can use cheesy bread as well. We're going to put it in there for about 3 or 4 minutes. We're going to go put this in the air fryer right now. I'm going to put this in for, you can do 3 or 4, but I'm actually going to do 4. Okay, so now we got it started. So I'm going to open up my can. My hands are greasy, so it might be hard. Let's see. Oh, thank you. Okay. We just put it in the air fryer, so now we're going to wait until it turns to 3 minutes, and you don't want to keep opening it too long because then the more you open it, the more it's going to, more of the air is going to go out. So you don't want that. Then it's going to take longer. We got the rest of our ingredients ready, so we're just going to be waiting for now. First, what we're going to do is we're going to spread our marinara on the pieces of bread. And you don't want too less or too much. You just want to do as much as you think is just right for you. So I think maybe this is enough for us. I might have to get more, but I will if I need to. So I'm just spreading this on. I put just a little bit on here for my little brother Thatcher. Mom doesn't like that much, but she does like it. And And I like it like Mom's as well. Okay, so we're done with our marinara sauce. And so now we're just gonna put the pepper, well, our bread just came out, so we gotta speed up because, not speed up, but we need to hurry for this other bread doesn't get cold. So we're gonna put some pepperoni on here real quick. I'm gonna give us about the same amount for it's not unfair. We are gonna put these back in the air fryer, and while they're in there, we're gonna sprinkle some cheese on them because we don't wanna make a huge mess. So when you're putting these back in here, you wanna be super duper careful because it will still be hot. So I'm trying to be extra careful. Okay, we're gonna put these last two in just a little bit because we can only fit 4 in here. So right now I'm just opening the cheese and I'm just gonna sprinkle some on it. Now we're just gonna close the air fryer and, well, we're just gonna wait a few minutes and then it's gonna be delicious. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take these out. Be very careful because you don't want to burn yourself and that's not gonna be good. So I'm just gonna take these out. And then after I take these all out, I'm gonna put the last 2 in here. I'm just gonna top these with cheese. I'm gonna cut into this one and we're gonna see how delicious this looks. Wow, that is cheesy. And I'm gonna use my tongs to put them on the plate.
Do a taste test and tell them how it turned out?
Yeah, I'm gonna taste this actually. I think this is really good. I feel like I would make no changes. It's like a 5 out of 5. It's so good. I hope y'all enjoyed this food, and we're gonna serve, and we'll see you next time. Bye.